Flash.
All right, let's introduce the Red Alliance, starting with team number 190.
Team number 190 from Worcester, Massachusetts, it's Robotics and the Herd.
Massachusetts, team number 876.
Proudly representing Rockford High School and Hatton High School, it's the Thunder Robotics team.
Yes. That's some more torch here, team 15.
A participant in first since 2005. Let's hear it for Workburn.
You guys rock. Introducing the Blue Alliance, team number 330.
The pride of Hermosa Beach, California, it's the Beach Bots.
Team number 1503.
From Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada, it's Team Spartronics and the Sputnik.
And team 2062.
Coming south from the great state of Wisconsin, it's Core 2062.
Wisconsin. All right, looks like we got a green light here. Almost. 3, 2, 1, go.
First period of this qualification match is underway. It'll last for 15 seconds, during which time the robots are operating from pre-programmed instructions, the instructions that were loaded into the onboard computers by these high school students. Period comes to a close. We're all tied up at one apiece. And now it is our drivers and operators' turn as they bring the robots out. Both alliances are great on both offense and defense. It's been close so far, but now the Red Alliance begins to expand the lead. Red Alliance out front 3-1, team 190. Trying to make something happen. Head referee tosses in a flag down. Flag will be against the Blue Alliance. We'll get that sorted out at the end of the match. 2062 near side of the playing field. Blue Alliance robot on its side. Hard to tell from our vantage point, but it looks like part of that robot might actually be extending outside the vertical plane of the playing field. Less than a minute remaining now. Both alliances working their strategy. Blue Alliance down by a robot, but they are out in front 8-3. Once again, that's an unofficial score, and it doesn't include any penalties, either on the field or delay of game penalties assigned by the field computer. Coming up on the 30-second mark. Red Alliance working hard to get caught up now. Led by team number 190 playing forward down in the red zone, far side of the field. 190 adds a point. That makes it 5 for the Red Alliance. They're on the move, trying to get caught up. Blue Alliance keeps working to extend their lead. Now keep an eye on team number 330. That's the robot that's got that mighty T-bar. It's latched itself onto the Blue Alliance tower, and it's elevated itself above the plane as the period ends.
I have no idea. Where's the
Referees now gather in a huddle down in the blue zone. They're looking at robot number 330. Now they continue to converse. As the period ended, we had 15-03 for the Blue Alliance on its side. And earlier in the penalty, team number 2062 had gotten upended. By the end of the period, the Blue Alliance was just operating with a one robot, 330. We've got some brave folks that are out here today volunteering. Curtis Craig is our field supervisor. He and his team have kept the field in tip-top shape. Even during the lunch break, they took the field apart, checked it, put it back together again to make sure that we had a great playing field service. So Craig and his team, they're outstanding. Head referee has had a conversation now with the head scorekeeper. Appears that there was a G22 penalty. And again, we talked about that before. The robot actually broke the vertical plane of the playing field. That'll be a penalty anytime that happens, a 1-point deduction. Of course, that alliance also had the elevation. That was a blue alliance elevating a robot. With the penalties assessed, your score now official 10-7 in favor of the blue alliance.